In this video, I'll show you how to sell shirts and t-shirts on Roblox. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's go and jump straight into this guide and make sure we watch it right until the end to the full steps. So here we are in Roblox, and the first thing you need to do is come to the top of Roblox and go and tap on the create button from this row of options. Now, if you haven't tapped on the create button before, then what's going to happen is you may go and get this big message saying start creating, but you want to go and click on the smaller message below that, below the box saying something like manage my creations or experiences, and then you'll be taken to this page here if you aren't already taken here. And the next thing you need to decide is if you're personally going to be selling the Roblox t-shirts or if you'd rather sell them from your Roblox group. So the main difference is that if you go and sell a shirt from your personal account, then you're going to go and get the Robux straight to your balance. If you go and sell it through your group, the Robux will be going to your group. Now, it is important to note that if you just want to go and get it to your balance, you just do it personally. If you sell it through the group, this means you then have to pay tax when you go and withdraw it from your group to your personal account. Yes, Roblox do a taxation system. So that's going to be up to you. Personally, I'm going to go and do it in the My Creations and sell it on my account. Then what you want to do is come to this left-hand side here and decide if you want to go and sell a shirt or a t-shirt. So the difference with this shirt is a shirt, you have a lot more customization. You can like design the full thing, you can change the sleeves and everything, or just do a t-shirt, which is a lot simpler. With a t-shirt, all you then need to do is upload a logo, and it's just going to go and put it on a white shirt. In this case, I want to go and sell a t-shirt. So now you can actually go and list an existing t-shirt, but I want to go and show you how to upload one, and then I'll show you how to list it. So I'm just adding such a step in case you don't know how, but feel free to skip this part here. So if you're creating a t-shirt, as I said before, all you need to do is upload an image. Once you've selected it, then all you then need to do is hit upload, and it's going to go and start uploading it, and it will go and say t-shirt successfully created, and the page will go and refresh just like that. And as you can see, it's now in our t-shirt list. And you may be thinking, why can't I go and see a preview of the shirt? And that's just because I've only just gone and published it. After a few minutes or 10, 20 minutes, maybe hours, it should process once it's been moderated. Then all you want to do to actually go and sell it, so you can now, if you're doing this to an existing shirt, this applies as well. All you need to do is come to the right hand side and go and press on the settings cog and go and tap on configure, just like this. It's going to take a moment to load and you'll be taken to the Roblox creation part. All you want to do is you can go and name it, you can go and add a description, which is probably what to do if you want to go and maximize. Then all you need to do is come to this bottom option here where it says on sale and go and switch this on. Then all you need to do is go and set a price, and just remember Roblox do take 30%, you keep 70. So if I list it for 10 Robux, say, I'm only going to get 7 if I get a sale. Then for the description, as I said before, I would recommend doing something just like awesome clothing or something like that. Just add something to go and sort of customize it a bit. Then when you're ready to go and put this shirt on sale, all you need to do is tap save changes. You'll get this pop up here saying it's going to go and cost you 10 Robux to go and list it. As you can see, it says putting this asset type on sell will cost 10 Robux. Are you sure you want to go and proceed? So basically you've got to go and pay 10 Robux, but then of course you can go and hopefully make more Robux back if it's a good shirt. So of course make sure it's something people are going to buy, because then you'll be able to make a return on your investment. So I'm going to put on sale just like so, and it's going to take a moment, and there we go, it's now been updated. So now all you want to do is click back to avatar items just like so, and you can go and see your other items. If you want to head back to Roblox, just go back to your URL bar and type in Roblox just like so, and here we are. So now I'm assuming you want to go and see the shirt and the listing and to go and get the link and things like that. So all you then want to do is go and tap on create at the top just like so. It'll take a moment to load, and then come to the left hand side and go and tap on t-shirts and wait for it to load. And then here it is, the welcome shirt. I can go and tap on it, and this will take you to the listing. You're going to automatically own it because of course you created it. Now it is important to note as well, it's worth making naming your shirt something people actually search for. So for example, if I had a picture of like a cartoon cat, you go and put like a cat t-shirt because that's things people are going to search for, and then hopefully if people are searching for it, they're then going to go and purchase the item for you. And that's literally it, guys. When you go and get a sale, it's going to go and appear in your balance. To go and check out your sort of Robux information, all you need to do is come to the top right, go and tap on your balance, then tap on your balance again just here, and then you can go and look at your transactions, and you're going to have incoming Robux, and it's going to go and appear in sale of goods. As you can see, I've sold something recently, and it's going to take a bit of time for it to be pending. I think it may take a few days, and then it's going to be added to your balance. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.